Good morning, everyone. It is May the 1st here at KIT Iizuka, second period for English 2C. I'm hoping that my iPad will kick in very shortly here. It's trying to. If not, I'll just get started using my main computer. As I said just now, if you ever want to check on what we did before, or if you want to actually do a little English practice, I will do these videos. This is already the placeholder for this week, every week, so that you can check on what we're doing. After we're done the English explanation, I'll do very quickly a Japanese explanation as we go through. Okay, there are a few things that we are going to be doing this week. The first one is I want to make sure, and that's actually up here in software downloads, that everybody has access to this software called Quizlet. And some of you might already have Quizlet from, I don't know, high school or maybe from Juku. But if you don't, we're going to be using it a lot in this class, so we're going to be downloading that together. After we do the Quizlet download, I'll show you how to use it so that then you can study the Quizlet material that I prepared. This is from your vocabulary from working in Japan. We'll be doing 2 chapters in this particular class in 2C, and all of the words that we're studying will be part of your vocabulary quizzes and the tests. So I have a way to show you how to do that in class with each other. It's a better way than just doing it by yourself. Anyway, we'll get on to that later. Now, you have your first homework submission. These submissions, I believe, there are going to be 6 of them this week. And what we do is I give you the things that you have to do from pages 13 to 14 in your textbook. Take a look at that, okay? And you'll see what you have to do. Sometimes it's putting in a word in a blank. Sometimes you have to do some listening. And what I want you to do is do the work in pages 13 to 14. And you can write them into the textbook. That's okay, no problem with that. But if you do them in the textbook, then that makes the textbook dirty. And because this textbook is used every year, you can, if your textbook is very clean, sell it to first-year students next year. If you write it in your textbook, sure, no problem, it's your textbook. But if you put it on a piece of paper, then you can keep your textbook clean. Either way, take a picture of what you wrote with your phone, and then upload that picture, that photo, to this assignment, okay, just like your reflections. I'll explain that a little bit later. Also, I want to do an in-class writing that we did actually in the second week, but a lot of you weren't here. So we're going to do that again. And you have your first listening quiz. And this listening quiz, okay, you have 20 minutes to answer the questions. So click to start the quiz, and then there will be an MP3 that you can play. And the MP3 itself, it's not going to be very long, but maybe about 3 or 4 minutes of me talking to my friend, Andrew. And then I want you to answer some questions in the test. Now, in my quizzes, you have 20 minutes to answer. And if you think you didn't do very well, you can take the quiz again. You can take it up to 3 times, and Moodle will remember your best score. So even if your best score was the first one, and you take it 2 more times, Moodle will remember the best score out of all of them, so you have 3 chances to get the best score. Okay? Let's see here. You also have a reflection. That's always due every Friday. Okay? This one is about email. I'm sorry, this one is about learning a new language. Okay? And you have to write a paragraph about this. A paragraph is 3, maybe 5 sentences. So write 3 or 5 sentences in English, write it on a piece of paper, take a picture of it, send it to this assignment. Okay? A lot of you were asking me last week, Mr. Cruz, I just joined this class last week. Do I have to do the assignments from week 1 and week 2? Yes. Week 1 doesn't really have any assignments. We were focusing in week 1 on the graded readers. Okay? and making sure that you understand what you have to do. Week 2 also didn't have a lot of assignments, except that's when we started doing the reflection and the writing quiz, the summary writing quiz, sorry. And there was a summary writing quiz too last week. So make sure that you do all of the assignments from week 2, from week 3 and onwards. Okay? If you have any questions about any of this, you might have noticed that my email is right here at the very top, at the very top of our Moodle, jdmcruz@gmail.com. So if you have anything that you want to ask me, you can send me an email, or you can come and talk to me after class. If you have any questions now? No? Okay. Thanks very much, and have a good class, everyone.